Welcome to Quiet Harbor. This is a short breathing reset for the end of the day. You can listen in bed, on the sofa, or anywhere you can be still for a few minutes. Before we begin, let the screen be dim. Let the volume be low. Let your body know that nothing urgent is required right now. Let your hands rest. Let your shoulders drop by one small amount. Let your jaw soften. And if it feels comfortable, allow your eyes to close. Take a slow breath in through the nose and let it leave through the mouth. Again, breathe in gently and breathe out as though you are setting something down. There may still be thoughts moving through the mind. That is completely normal. You do not need to force silence. You do not need to win a battle with your thoughts. For the next few minutes, your only job is to keep returning to the breath. Now breathe in for a slow count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold softly for 2, 1, 2, and breathe out for 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, breathe in for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently, 1, 2, and breathe out slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the count feels too long, make it smaller. This is not a test. This is not a performance. The point is not perfect breathing. The point is permission. Permission to slow down. Permission to let the day end. Permission to stop solving everything for a while. On the next breath out, release the forehead. Breathe in and breathe out, softening the forehead. On the next breath out, release the space around the eyes. Breathe in and breathe out, letting the eyes become heavy. On the next breath out, release the jaw. Breathe in and breathe out, letting the jaw loosen. On the next breath out, release the shoulders. Breathe in and breathe out, letting the shoulders fall away from the ears. If your mind offers a reminder, a list, or an old conversation, you can gently say, "Tomorrow," "Not now," "Tomorrow," and then return to the breath. Breathe in gently. Hold. Breathe out slowly. Again. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Let the exhale become the main event. Let each out-breath tell the body that the day is ending. Let each out-breath make a little more room inside the chest. Let each out-breath move you further from effort and closer to rest. Now imagine that you are standing beside a quiet harbor at night. The air is cool but comfortable. The water is still. A few small lights reflect on the surface. Nothing is rushing. Nothing is asking for your attention. With each out-breath, imagine one small lantern drifting away across the water. The first lantern carries something unfinished. Let it drift. The second lantern carries something you wished had gone differently. Let it drift. The third lantern carries a thought you do not need to solve tonight. Let it drift. You are still here. The body is supported. The breath is gentle. The night is quiet. Now let go of the counting. There is no need to control the breath. Let the body breathe in its own rhythm. Let the mind become less interested in words. Let the room be simple. Let this moment be enough. If you are using this before sleep, you can stay exactly where you are. You do not need to open your eyes. You do not need to do anything next. Just rest. And if you are taking a short reset before returning to your evening, take one final slow breath in and a long breath out. Thank you for spending this quiet moment at Quiet Harbour. May the rest of your night be softer than the day.